Good morning, students. Yesterday, I told you all that today I will explain this poem of your reader. That is your first poem, Children of the Rainbow. I think you all have your book and pencil with you. So, just concentrate. First of all, I will read the whole poem and about the poet. After that, I will only explain you these two paragraphs today, because there are 6 paragraphs in this poem. So I will teach you 2 paragraphs in a day. Okay? Okay, students, see the poem Children of the Rainbow. I talked to Grammy. Grammy means grandmother. Okay? I talked to Grammy yesterday about a girl I know. Her skin's a different color, but I like her even though. The other children tease her and it makes her run away because she looks so different and they never let her play. I think she looks just beautiful. Her skin is chocolate brown. She is the nicest girl I have ever met, and it's sad to see her frown. Grammy held me on her lap and told me she was proud. She said that's what's important, and then my gram allowed that children are life's rainbow, black and yellow, red and white. But the colors are not what matters, it's what's down deep inside. I asked her that if what it means when we say we are color blind. She smiled and said it should mean that in all hearts, in all minds. Okay? So, students, first of all, I will tell you that the name of the poet is Miss C.J. Heck. Okay, this is the name of your poet. So, first of all, we have to know about our author. So, C.J. Heck is an American poet and writer. Okay, she has written 3 children's books and a collection of short stories. She loves writing short stories, tongue twisters, and poems for children. Okay, because she loves children a lot. That's why she wants to write a poem of children's. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you the first 2 paragraphs of this poem. I talked to Grammy yesterday. That means the poet used to talk her grandmother yesterday about a girl I know. That the girl to whom she knows very well, her skin is different from other children, but the poet like her the best. Why so? She she talked to her grandmother and discussing about that particular girl's skin, which is different from other children's skin color. That means that particular girl's skin color was different from other children. Okay, now come to the second para. The other children tease her and it makes her run away, but there are some more neighborhood children who make tease of that particular child who is different with her skin color. The other children tease that girl. Tease means always used to make fun or always used to make her upset. That is why, because she looks so different and they never let her play. The other children, the other neighborhood children, what they all are doing, that they think that her skin is so different from them, that's why they don't want to play with them, and they never play and they never allowed to play with the girl to play with them. That means I'm going to explain you again these two paragraphs. Just listen to me very carefully. In the first paragraph, the poet discussing with her grandmother that a girl she knows very well, her skin is different from the other children, but that she likes that particular girl very much. But in second paragraph, what the poet wants to tell to the Grammy, that the other neighborhood children wants to tease her, wants to make her upset, wants to always use to make her fun. Why? Because she is so different with her skin color, and that particular girl does not want to play with them because the other children always makes fun of her. Okay, so in the first, simply explains that in the first paragraph the poet discussing with the grandmother, and in the second paragraph it is totally about the children of the neighborhood who never allowed the girl to play with them just because of skin color. Okay, that's it, students. So revise this these two paragraphs explanation from this video clip. I will explain you tomorrow the other two paragraphs. Okay, and in your reader copy, just make one reader copy and put the date, and your date, today's date is 7/5/2020. Okay, put the date, put the name of the chapter, and after that you all have to write the hard words and underline the hard words of only these two passage. And when I explain you another passages, I will again mark you the hard words. Okay, so mark it. Grammy, yesterday, different, tease, because. Okay, students, you all have to write these 5 hard words in your reader copy. On the top you have to put your date and poem name. After writing the poem name, you have to write the poet's name also. Okay, and after that your heading will be hard words. Number 1 Grammy, number 2 yesterday, number 3 different, number 4 tease, and number 5 because. Okay, so sorry. So again tomorrow, sit with your this reader book with your pencil and revise these two paragraphs from the video clip. Okay, and if you have any problem regarding explanation, you can ask me. Okay, Grammy means grandmother, yesterday means the day before today, different means you all know, tease means makes fun, make fun, and because means you know it's a reason. Okay, so if you can't don't understand any word, single word, you can ask me. Okay, thank you class.